What's good? What's going on, everybody? The biggest nerd one is coming to you live and in living color from the great state of Tennessee. To be more specific, from Nashville, Tennessee. Well, one of the more popular playlists on my channel is Bass Pro Reviews, where I go around going to all the Bass Pros that we come across and do reviews on them. And where are we here at Nashville, Tennessee? Look at this, guys. Look at! We found another Bass Pro, Elsie. Woo, man. So let's go in here, guys. Let's go ahead and do another Bass Pro review from right here in Nashville, Tennessee. Oh man, look at this. They got the same old type of doors like from like the rest of the Bass Pros here. Oh, thank you, Miss Elsie Jane. Oh, look at this. Oh, they got turkeys. Elias, look behind you, dude. They got a pretty good fireplace here at this location.
Yeah.
Man.
And we're gonna do another fish story video. So
Yeah.
this is a big chair.
There's a big chair. Up in the lobby area at this Bass Pro, we got a bunch of taxidermies up on top up here.
Yeah, and Dia has it.
Some more turkeys. Hold on.
And deer heads and bear heads up there.
Yeah.
And the fish up there.
The fishy.
Looks like Tom the Turkey.
Looks like Tom the Turkey right here. They have a whole lot more turkeys at this location of Bass Pro. Hey guys, this is a very small Bass Pro, guys. Very small. It's only one level. We got look at this, they got some pretty cool chandeliers up there, guys. Look at that. Only one level here. We got the boats, the tracker boats over here. Elias wants to get on his little ATV. Look at this, guys. Of course, every single Bass Pro has to have a barrel that stands up and you can take a picture in front of. I feel like at this point this is a requirement for every single Bass Pro. And every Bass Pro has to have a fish tank. Look at this. What's up, buddy? What's going on? Look at that big old guy.
That one's named Scaly. I named it.
Ah. Now this is an okay sized tank, you know. The ones in Springfield has bigger tanks, you know. But for a small store, this is a pretty good, you know, sized fish tank.
One guy. Everybody gets to see
Hey, Bubba. Bubba, okay. Okay, this was a very short video for a very small Bass Pro. So what did you think of this Bass Pro, Bubba, here in Nashville, Tennessee?
Good, but there's an entrance to a mall in this fish store. Says, and you're gonna go through it, and I hope it's really good for the small inside the fish store.
Yep. Yeah, this fish store here is connected to a mall. So, okay guys, this is the entrance to the Bass Pro from the mall area. So that was a review of the Nashville Bass Pro, a very short video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the review.